guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you again for joining me for this CVS video. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. I'll be doing 3 transactions in this video and I'll be including 6 deals using 3 threshold CRTs. If you like shopping at Walgreens, I always post a Walgreens video every week, so make sure you check it out because I posted one on Sunday. The first deal I have is on Tresemme hair care. They're on buy 2 get $5 back and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up one of the hairsprays priced at $6.49 and the second item I'll pick up will be the one's priced at $8.99. These 2 items are going to total $15.48. That means we can be able to get our $5 back. I have this $1 coupon I got from my email. All you have to do is sign up with Unilever and they will randomly email you some coupons. And I also have a 3 of 15 Tresemme CRT that will apply to this. With the CRT and the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $10.48. I will pay that and get $5 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $2.50 back on each item. And after the rebate, these 2 items are going to end up costing me just 48 cents or 24 cents each. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and you can see the 2 items I picked up. All my coupons came off and the 3 of 15 also applied as well. I ended up using $9.18 extra care box to pay for this. The 18 cents is part of the 20% off CRT I have. I know I'm not going to use it, that's why I added it to this transaction. And I paid $1.30 out of pocket and I got $5 back for buying 2. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $2.50 back on each item, making both items just 48 cents or 24 cents each. The next deal I'm picking up will be the Clairol hair color. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back and this is a limit of 1. I'll be picking up 2 of the Nice and Easy hair color priced at $9.49. That is going to total $18.98. And we have this 6 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's still available and we have a matching one in our app that is going to double dip and take off $12. Dropping it down to $6.98, I'll pay that and get $4 back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. I used the 5 of 20 next purchase CRT I got in my email, but this deal is not up to $20, it's just at $18.98. So what I did was add the Colgate deal. I wasn't able to film it, but on my receipt you can see I have 2 Colgate products. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2 you get $3 back and it's a limit of 2. In case you did not see the deal I posted on Sunday, go check it out because if you have the $10 CRT that CVS sent to email, you will get a better deal. Picking up 2 at $3.99 each would total $7.98. On Sunday we received a 3 of 1 digital coupon. It's going to apply and drop it down to $4.98 if you're doing it by itself, and I'll get $3 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. But you can also check Shopkick and submit your receipt for the second one. You will receive the $3 back and that will make both products free and a $1.02 money maker. Let's look at my coupon section and see how everything applied. You can see both 6 off 2 double dipped and took off $12. My $3 for Colgate applied and also the 5 off 20. I ended up using $5 extra care box and I paid $1.96 out of pocket and I got back $4 for buying 2 of the Clairol hair color and a $3 back for buying 2 of the Colgate. And I also submitted my receipt to Shopkick and I'm waiting for the $3 back. And with this 5 of 20 next purchase CRT I used in this transaction, all these 4 items will be free and a $3.04 money maker. Next deal I'll pick up will be the spend 30 get $10 back and this is a limit of 1. I'll pick up the Downy fabric conditioner on sale for $6.99 and I'll also pick up the Downy unstoppable beads on sale for $6.99. I'm trying to keep this deal all digital and I'll pick up the Gain detergent on sale for $5.49. To complete this deal, I'll pick up one of the Tide Pods on sale for $13.49. All 4 items are going to total $32.96. And I'll be using a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod. And for the Downy Fabric Conditioner, we have a $1 in our app. For the Unstoppable, we also received a $2. And for the Gain, we have a $1 in our app. You can actually keep this deal all digital. After all these coupons I mentioned, it's going to drop it down to $25.96. I'll pay that and get $10 back, making all 4 items $15.96 or $3.99 each. But I have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT that printed at the end of my receipt. Let's go pick up more deals, that way I can be able to use it. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on Eucerin lotion. They are part of the spend 20 get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. I'll pick up 3 of the intensive repair lotion, the 5 ounces, priced at $6.79 each. And these 3 items are going to total $20.37. I'll be using 3 of these $2 coupon I got from my doctor's place, but we have a $2 coupon in 1022 savings set that is still good to use. It's not expired yet. With these 3 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $14.37, and I'll get $10 back, making all 4 items $4.37 or $1.46 each. The next deal I have will be on Old Spice body wash. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $9.79. The second one is going to be $4.90. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $11.64. Then I'll get $3 back. Check your Ibotta, because I have $2 back. That's a limit of 4. That means I'll be getting $4 back. And after the rebate, these 2 items are going to end up costing me just $4.69 or $2.35 each. The 3 deals I have in this transaction cost $68.02 before tax, and that's not within the 98% rule to use the 10 off 17 next purchase CRT. So I added some filler items to this. I added 2 of those caramel candy you find at the checkout. It still wasn't coming off, so I added a 3rd one. That's why you will see extra 3 items at the end of my receipt. After I added a 3rd item, everything worked out well. All the coupons I showed earlier on applied. I only used 3 paper coupons. I used $40 extra care box and added a 20% off CRT that took off just 6 cents, paid $3.19 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for spending $30, and got back $10 for spending $20 on the Eucerin items, and a $3 back for buying 2 of the Old Spice. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for the Old Spice body wash, and I got back $4. That's $2 back on each item. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $14.25 or $1.19 each. And this is it, my friends. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for coming back every week to support my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.